Oh, hello.
Hello.
Where are we today?
Magic Kingdom.
There it is, up there. The Kingdom of the Magic. Okay, it's about 20 degrees now. It's a bit overcast, but apparently it's going to get up to 26 today. So, hopefully the sun will come shining through as we progress through the day. So, should we get on with it?
Let's do it.
Come on then, let's go.
Got a locker, put our lunch bag in and everything.
Yeah.
It's quite heavy. And it's like $10 for a small one, which takes about a rucksack, which is enough for our lunch bag. And we don't have to carry it.
Yeah, and it's just on that side. As you're coming from the parks, on that side. Promoting Diet Pepsi there, look. Okay, here we go. We're in. Oh, there goes the train up there. Restrooms, washroom. Oh my God.
Don't do that.
Too late. I'm hoping it'll make interest with our American cousins from across the pond. Because they'll think, oh my God.
No, you'll get cancelled.
I won't get canceled. Me? I'm amazing.
Oh my God.
Okay, everybody. Stay tuned for more. Do you want to sing along?
Huh?
Do you want to sing along?
I don't know the word.
Are you a Dapper Dan? Oh yeah!
Like you say, it's better.
So, we're going to do Tron. How long is it to wait?
Well, it says 80 minutes, but...
80 minutes. We've never waited that long for one before. But we tried doing this last time we was here.
And we got all the way in.
All the way in.
It went down.
And it went down for some reason. We still don't know what that reason was, but we're back to see if we can participate and see, is Tron worth it? We'll let you know. We'll let you know if it's worth it or not. I mean, it looks quite good.
Yeah, we're excited.
Yeah. Busy? Yeah.
Remain seated on your Lightcycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young teen users at all times. Users, prepare to be deployed.
Say that again. Say that again.
I said this is where we got to last time when it broke down.
When it broke down. And we got no further than this point. And we waited, and we waited, and we waited, and we left.
TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making short turns with
so we've just been on Tron. We went on the seat at the back. So there's a seat with a pull-down bar which you can go on.
I didn't want to go forward like that.
No, we didn't fancy that.
Yeah, my back.
But it's about an hour's wait. Well,
oh, I loved it.
Oh my God. It was absolutely brilliant. It was so fast as well, wasn't it? Eh? So incredibly fast. Excuse me. But yeah. Oh, here we go. So, just to prove how fast it was, that's how fast it goes. So you have to put all your bags and everything in a locker before you go on the ride, so nothing's allowed on you. Yeah, it's really easy. You just use your wristband to activate that and then get it out. And then, it was worth the hour wait, wasn't it? Yeah, it was so worth it. We really, really enjoyed it. Let's go somewhere else. Adventureland. What are we aiming to get on? Our gym rat. Yo doodle-dee-dee. A sailor's life for me. A pirate's life for me. Name's in the title, isn't it? It says 30 minutes. Let's see what it is.
The cast member said 40 minutes.
Okay, well, let's see. Right, we've never done this before, have we? As its remake.
No. And I like Splash Mountain, it's a shame, but we'll see what this is like.
Yeah. Lots of different critters. Right, can you just say that again?
I get really irritated when people say game changer. But I've just got an overwhelming urge to say this
is what you bought for $12.99 yesterday?
$9.99. It's a game changer.
It's a game. How is the game changed?
I'm thinking, what other words could I use? There are none.
So the game has changed because you can put your phone in it, and what else?
I either put my phone in my bra, which is not very healthy. However, so I normally have to get my rucksack and get my phone out, then I want to take a picture, but it's in my rucksack. If I wanted a lanyard or something, this is just perfect.
Do you know what? Now you've mentioned all them things, I'm going to say, it's a game changer.
It is a game changer.
The game has been changed. Alright, back to the business of the day.
Thank you.
So we've never seen this film, have we? So I've no idea. Was it Tiana's Bayou?
Oh, I don't know.
The ride, I mean. Bayou Adventure, but I've never seen the film, so I guess she's some sort of cook. my god. Oh my god.
We might have to go back to the hotel.
Absolutely soaked. Oh. It's good though, isn't it? Yeah. Let's hope the camera works in a minute. Carnivale! So, that was really good, that, wasn't it? You know, I think they've rethemed it really well. One thing I would say, if you're tall, 6'4"-ish, you will struggle with your legs. So it might be, because we sat next to each other and that was fine, but my legs are just too long for it. So maybe get one each if that's what you're planning on doing. But even so, really good ride, really enjoyed it. Our Jim lad, Pirates of the Caribbean. Or is it Caribbean?
Well, it's Caribbean because we're here.
But Caribbean's when you're normal folk. Oh, 10 minutes. This is unheard of.
Inside the boat and watch your children and no plastic chairs.
Weren't even a 10-minute wait, was it? Pretty much walk on. As always, you know what you're getting. It's a good little ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
On the way now. Tell them how the pirate's life for me.
Stop it.
The Emporium on Main Street.
Yeah.
Right. So they never stop dreaming, never stop believing. Don't stop believing. You don't like much, do you? Yeah. It's our biggest fan, that. How much is that? That's nice.
$64.99.
Really nice, isn't it?
Nice.
Yeah, lovely. $45. That's $45 as well for a rucksack. Cookies and cream. How much?
Ice cream sandwich, $7.49, which I thought was alright.
Not bad, not bad.
Look, massive cookies. And
Tastes nice, doesn't it?
yeah.
That shop over there.
Ice cream parlour.
Ice cream parlour. So far, so good. Oh, hang on.
Show the view.
Oh yeah, and the view. There it is on this decidedly dull day. However, it's still extremely warm.
Taking a bit of a turn, isn't it?
It's taking a bit of a turn, but never mind. Look at that Danny gob. You ready for this, you foolish mortal?
Yeah. I'm terrified.
I can see the
I know.
fear on your face.
In the mirror.
Well.
Have you seen my hair?
What about it?
It's a bit of a mess, isn't it?
I should feel it. That feels alright to me.
Oh.
Foolish mortal. What'd you say? Oh god, that is scary.
And coolies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits.
Oh, good grief. There we go, haunted mansion done. Same old, isn't it? Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Noisy.
Noisy, yeah. Nothing new about that, is there?
It's all
No, it's alright. It's 20-minute wait. We can do that, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. La 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 la.
I know.
What are we going on there?
Sorry.
La 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 la.
Please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop.
Okay, that's our day done here at the Magic Kingdom. The sun never really got out, but it was still warm, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
We done quite a few things, finishing on It's a Small World there, but what was your highlight?
Oh, Tron.
Tron
sure.
for me, absolutely amazing. We queued for an hour, but it was worth it. Anyway, so please like, please subscribe, please, you know, go and watch our other videos. Thumbs up as well if you can manage to get that thumb all the way up. So, give us a thumbs up, that good old thumb, get it right up there, okay? So, right up there, okay. So, I suppose we'll see you in the next one, will we?
I expect so.
I expect so. Stay tuned, because you just never know where we're going to be. Right, come on then.